Okay, some of you guys might be thinking, well, how am I doing during this bloodbath of crypto? I am doing my sell call, which is Amazon and Walmart, Gulai, Camera Energy, Walmart and Amazon. So those three, or sell call, just to make a little bit of money on the side. I'm just waiting for another drop of crypto. So Gumayua, I kind of pull out when it was around like all pound. Just to let you guys know, Guying lost 10, okay? It's not like I didn't. So if I go to all, I did lose a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, yani investor yali kuang. Well, you know, Guying join yani ha like Guying so anybody who as good as, you know, those people who have a lot of money, or those people who like millionaires, couple of they, you know, they all lost money too. So you everybody else. But during this time, the market is going down. Just average down if you have money to the side. Actually, I know that if you average it down, it'll help out a lot. I did end up with 100 shares of Ethereum, but como more, next time you are dodgy, no, okay? Kanama ko easy like oshisa, okay? Kanama ko la oshisa ko you like just like 50, $60 then, okay? So, ku tell you just go la oshinda dodgy share how low it goes, okay? Yeah, during this time you just do your sell call. Yeah, the nichipo sell call, you know, there's a lot of videos on the website, on YouTube, but I just do sell call on these until guminya je kuyo Ethereum lo kuyo wherever na, or I invest in Planeteer. Planeteer is a very good one, but I'm just waiting. I know it's gonna go down a little bit, you know. But if you guys are curious why Gumon Solo, yeah, you know, I did sell Gucci because you know, my life is really busy. My son is getting married, and I was like cleaning and cooking, and you know, during this bloodbath, you know, you just want to go away and do something else. You don't want to look at your chart every day. You are you know, the war, inflation, you know, the market, the Fed is raising the rates and stuff like that. So you already know, like go check like your news now. Yeah, you already know that it's gonna go down. And plus, everybody always say that every 4 years crypto tank or crash. So you never know when's the bottom, and you just buy every time it tanks. Just buy, tank and buy. But I don't. Every time it tank, I don't buy all the time. I just look at the candle. Nhà này cởi tôi cái candlestick nữa. Yeah, to liên thì lo đồ to draw lên này, you know it's gonna continue going down. I will try to make some videos, but at this time, just too busy. And you know, if I have enough followers or enough viewers, then maybe I will, you know, at least continue doing my videos. But the Shinoko kind of like started, and you know, go just doing this on the side, and sometimes go, well, other things like this is not the only investment I do. I also do tax liens. There's other things that I do. So don't say that, you know, this will give you more money, but you have to have, you go to diverse, you go to what other investment besides stock markets. So yeah, you know, please put comments, and they I will try to make more videos if I have more viewers. Okay, so again, this is Jessica. See ya, bye.